Did you know that you can make the Scratch 2 interface look like this in Scratch 2? So let's begin. So the thing is, in my Scratch 2 converting video, we have there was no interface like this, but today I will show you how to make an interface like this. So just go to Scratch add-ons, and click on enter. Click on the second link and then click on install for Chrome, and this will redirect you to the Chrome Web Store page where it has already searched the Scratch add-ons. Now you need to click on add to Chrome. Now close the tab and go to Scratch, and then one more time open the tab and then click on Write Better 3.0, and then click on the first link and then install, and then this will redirect you to Chrome Web Store page, and then you can click on install for Chrome. Now close this tab also. Now just go to the Scratch add-ons, pin it, and go to add-ons section. Use the Scratch version 1.22.1 and then search for, and then go to this setting options. This will give a bigger page or setting, and then you can see this featured ones, and then you can click on and then you can click on right two column category menu, and then click it on. I have already clicked. So then close this tab, and then this will reload the page and it will show you this type of interface. Now to make it left side, I used Better 3.2. Go to Appearance and then click on this. This will move the stage to right, and then click on this. This will move the stage to left. This will probably give you this interface. It's not like good as Scratch 2.2, but it's good. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, peace out.